Hi, I'm Stacy with WTI. Want to upgrade your cat box in real style? If you do, this awesome setup from Lobeve is going to really blow your mind with all of its great attention to detail and this awesome cat box. This is a complete set. It comes with a stainless steel cat box. This cat box is gorgeous and it is completely really revolutionizing the way that I'm thinking about cat litter. The cat litter very easily slides around and out as you're doing the scooping. And my cats had no problem transitioning to this box at all. The cat box comes with 2 layers of covers. So you have a bottom layer, and if you have room, you can add on the top one, which has a top entryway as well as a front entryway, including a door that flips in and out. The box also included a scratch pad, a complete pad so that you can put it underneath and collect the litter while your cats are coming and going. And they even included an exit tray, which has a grid, and then underneath more cat litter can fall. The scoop is made with a beautiful wooden handle and it scoops very, very well. It's great quality, and they even included a holder for the scoop. This cat box definitely has so much attention to detail. I'm super impressed by the quality of it. I was kind of questioning how a stainless steel one would be, but I have to say I'm absolutely in love with it. It is quite heavy because it is stainless steel, so be aware of that if you have to move your box around a lot. But overall, this setup is absolutely wonderful. I would not ever go back to a plastic cat box. Super impressed, but that's just my point of view.